Welcome to MTHHealth. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of doing a Brazilian wax safely and effectively at home. Save money, stay in control, and feel confident. This step-by-step guide will teach you how to get smooth, salon-like results. First, gather your tools. Here's what you'll need: hard wax or sugar wax heater or microwave-safe bowl, wooden spatulas, pre-wax cleanser or baby powder, aloe vera or Aftercare lotion, wax strips, optional for soft wax, mirror for better visibility, gloves and towel. Make sure your wax is suited for sensitive areas like the bikini zone. Choose hard wax for best results, as it grips only the hair, not your skin. Preparation is key to avoiding irritation and achieving smoother results. Follow these simple steps. Exfoliate the area 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin cells. Trim hair to about 1/4 inch long to ensure the wax can properly grip it. Clean the area thoroughly with a pre-wax cleanser or gentle soap. Pat dry. Lightly dust the area with baby powder to absorb moisture. This ensures the wax sticks to the hair, not the skin. Now it's time to heat the wax. Use a wax heater for best control, or microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds if needed. The wax should be warm, not too hot, with a honey-like consistency. Always test a small amount on your wrist to avoid burns. Here's the fun part. Use a wooden spatula to apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Wait for the wax to harden slightly, about 20 to 30 seconds, until it feels tacky. Hold the skin taut and quickly pull the wax strip against the direction of hair growth. Breathe. If it feels too painful, take small sections at a time. After waxing, soak the skin to prevent irritation. Gently cleanse the area with a mild toner or cool water. Apply aloe vera gel or an after-wax lotion to reduce redness. Avoid tight clothing and hot showers for at least 24 hours. Exfoliate again after 48 hours to prevent ingrown hairs. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips. Red bumps. Apply aloe vera or witch hazel. Missed hair. Use tweezers to remove stubborn strands. Wax too sticky. Use oil to remove residue. Always do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions to the wax. And that's it. With a little practice, you'll get smoother and faster every time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MTHHealth for more personal care tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or share your own waxing experience. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.